company, Daru, is at the forefront of revolutionizing the construction industry by developing robots designed to replace human laborers. These robots are already performing tasks like sanding walls, refining floors, and even laying tiles. The company's goal is full automation, with an emphasis on user-friendliness. For example, the floor finishing robot is capable of planning its own path and applying all necessary layers, from the initial primer to the final epoxy coating. Equipped with an array of sensors and radars, these robots are able to efficiently navigate their surroundings. The pace at which the company is progressing is impressive. In fact, plaster application can now be completed at a speed of 8 meters in just 50 seconds, significantly reducing labor intensity by 70% and boosting efficiency by up to 200%. With the integration of artificial intelligence, these robots can perform tasks autonomously, needing only initial instructions and requiring no human supervision. This is a promising innovation, though it does raise important questions. While it offers clear benefits in terms of efficiency and cost, there are valid concerns about the potential for these technologies to displace a significant portion of the workforce in construction. Ultimately, the rise of robotics in construction presents a balance between progress and its broader social and economic consequences. It's crucial to consider how these innovations will impact workers and the long-term sustainability of the industry. This humanoid robot, developed by UBTech Robotics in China, has already begun to make its mark in factories, both within Chinese companies and internationally, particularly in the electric vehicle (EV) industry. Companies such as NIO and Volkswagen are actively incorporating these robots into their assembly lines. The Walker robot plays a key role in quality control, performing tasks like inspecting door locks, seat belts, headlights, and even affixing logos to vehicles. It is equipped with 36 high-performance servo motors, providing remarkable flexibility and precision in its movements. Additionally, the robot is outfitted with various sensors that enable environmental perception, allowing it to recognize objects and process visual and auditory information. The robot's autonomous navigation capabilities are powered by the USLAM system, which enables it to plan efficient routes, avoid obstacles, and recognize faces, objects, and scenes within its environment. UBTech Robotics is optimistic about the potential of these robots to enhance efficiency in electric vehicle assembly lines, with the company stating on its website that the future of humanity lies in the harmonious coexistence of robots and humans. This innovative approach is set to transform the way manufacturing is done, bringing about increased productivity while also sparking discussions on the evolving role of robotics in our daily lives. Schindler, a Swiss company founded in 1874 and a global leader in the production of elevators and escalators, has introduced the world's first robotic system designed for the automatic installation of elevators in high-rise buildings. This innovative system, named RISE, marks a groundbreaking advancement in the construction industry. For the first time in history, a robot can autonomously perform installation tasks with high precision and quality. The RISE robot carries out tasks such as drilling holes in concrete walls and installing anchor bolts, all without requiring constant supervision. Once deployed in the elevator shaft, the robot operates around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, significantly speeding up the installation process compared to traditional methods. The RISE robot was successfully used during the construction of the Warsaw Tower in Warsaw, Poland, which is the tallest building in the European Union. Its use greatly accelerated the elevator installation process while maintaining exceptional quality and precision. Schindler continues to lead the way in embracing innovative solutions like RISE to improve safety and efficiency in the construction industry, showcasing the potential of automation to revolutionize building practices. Weston Robotics has introduced an innovative construction robot known as the Outdoor UGV Robot Bunker, designed to tackle a wide range of tasks in challenging outdoor environments. The bunker robot is equipped with a powerful drive and control system, enabling it to efficiently navigate uneven terrain and overcome obstacles with ease. Its high off-road capability is made possible by its independent suspension system, along with exceptional maneuverability, including the ability to turn in place. Implementing the bunker robot on construction sites can significantly enhance the efficiency of various tasks, such as material transportation, site inspections, and other construction activities. The robot can be equipped with an array of sensors and tools, including cameras, laser scanners, and additional devices for data collection and specialized tasks. Thanks to its robust construction and weather-resistant design, the bunker robot can operate under the most extreme conditions, making it a versatile solution for construction sites in harsh environments.